Man, oh, we got a lot of clunkers that don't start down here, boy. We got the 2011 just sitting here, no motor. We got the 15 flatty down here. She will start, she just sits here collecting dust. We got the 6-liter, dead as a doornail, needs a turbo. Got the L5P, just needs finished up. Wow, we must have been spinning them in 4, huh? Jeez. Look at how much dirt's on there. This thing ain't a clunker though. This thing nice, boy. We got the other 6.7 flatty out here. She good to go. You know she's a unit. The other 6.7 blown motor. You know this one's junk. 6.4 dually, ready to roll. Just needs fired up. Been sitting all winter. Yeah, we got a couple more too. And here we have Colton's 3rd gen mega cab. We were gonna have this unit filmed this weekend. Colton was gonna come up and get it with the transmission because the parts finally came in from RevMax. The transmission has parts from everywhere. RevMax, Ray Bestos, Suncoast, it's got it all going on. It had to come back out. It was, what did Ovi call it? Flare shifting. So again, this unit is back out. So we're gonna make sure that this sucker is dialed right in. But boy, she's up there on the lift. This thing is so clean, man. Easily the baddest 3rd gen around, boy. But she is not ready just yet, Colton, so we're gonna have to wait till Ovi and the guys can do what they do best. I am not going anywhere near this sucker because I don't know nothing about the stuff. Well guys, we are back today with Colton's 3rd gen, finally getting wrapped up down here at the shop. I had to drop off the camera with Jake this weekend because he is going to take it down to TNC Truck Fest. I'm super excited to get the camera down there. I had so many plans to get down there, but with Mother's Day and baseball, all kinds of stuff going on at home, I'm not able to make it. I'm not sorry about that because family first. I would have loved to hang out with you guys down there, but Jake's going to go down, get the camera, hopefully make some funny comments. Whatever he wants to do is cool with me. We'll get it on the channel, so stay tuned for that. But I'm gonna flip you guys around and show you Colton's truck here again. If you guys remember, this is Zach's old 3rd gen mega cab right here. 2006 5.9 with some beefed up parts. We did a whole walk around on this truck before when it came down to the shop. Ovi's Snapchat and his Instagram name, I believe, were both Mega Dirge, so how about that? Got the mega cab. Ovi used to have one back in high school. It was super tricked out. I had a 5.9 before. They're just great, right? Easy to make power, a lot of fun. Old school truck right here. Not even, it's sad that this is old school really, but it does have some upgraded engine stuff. You'll have to go check out the other video, but just to highlight, it does have a big 67mm stealth turbo in there, as well as some components there on the engine. And the reason why it was down here, Colton blew the trans, so Ovi had to rebuild the trans. Waited forever to get some parts. If you didn't see in the intro clip, a mixture of a ton of different brands of parts are in there now. Suncoast, Alto, Ray Bestos, just to name a few. RevMax, I know there's all kinds of stuff going on there, but if you guys didn't see before, we didn't really show you the inside of this truck. Boy, this booger is clean, and look, the seats are leaned back. This is a jump too. You ever heard of running boards? I think it looks better without them, dude. I really do. Oh my gosh, in the room. Holy cow. If you guys have not been in a mega slab before, you need to get in a slab, boy. And the 3rd gen seats look so nice. This thing is incredible interior shape. Wow, look, with the Ram logo there in the seats. Look at how clean this unit is. Got the Apple CarPlay display up there. Just really nice. The sunroof even, this was top of the line in 2006, and the fact that it is still nice is just absolutely crazy to me. Well taken care of, well sought after, well seen on social media. Thanks to Zach. Check out his channel, Zach Frisch. Love you, buddy. Thing looks good. Tail lights. Just, you know, it's got it. Got the elbow. Sounds incredible. We'll do a startup on it, and we're going to roll it down the block. Colton said, as long as I don't slide the corners and knock the fenders off. But I told him, I think Ovi will be more mad at me than you will because he's the one that's had to rebuild this sucker. So we definitely don't want to do that. We want to get this unit back in Colton's hands. And, yeah, if you guys want to follow him on the gram, please do so. I'll put that on the screen as well. Shout out to Boost Auto, one of our sponsors on the mirrors. But let's go ahead and close this unit up. Got some rock lights under there. Oh yeah, she lights up good at night. Ovi had a picture on his Snapchat story a while ago. Look at them tow hooks, boy. Yep, so I'm gonna set you guys over here for a startup note real quick. Semi out here. Gosh, they sound so good, don't they? Look at the suspension work. Wow, what a unit. This is a riot, dude. I am geeking right now. Like I said, it is a hop, skip, and a jump to get up in this old gal, but we getting up in there right now. Dang, even got Dodge on the screen. What do we got on the clock there? 189. Dang, dude, this unit's like it's got 89. Wow. Windows down, of course. Got the exhaust window going down now. What you know about it? Need the 5-inch strip up here. Yeah, this is super epic. A little gold pass up there from something. Yeah, buddy. Let's see here. Hold on. Slide that sucker in reverse. Wow. Backup camera? What is really going on? All right, let's buckle up. And we're gonna go for a little, boy. Yeah, let's go for a little. All right. You in there? Oh, yeah. How about that? This got to be aftermarket too, don't it? Okay, anyways, windows all the way down. Here we go. Wonder if she rubs bad or not. Oh no, this thing's got way better turning than my truck for sure. Oh yeah, she's just going. What's our RPM gauge, no-go or what? Everything else looks like it's going. Let's not hit the semi up here, boy. Yeah. So this has what, the 48 in it? I almost said the 68. Shows how much I know about transmissions, but yep, it's got some goodies in there. It's not a fully built, I don't know if you call it a fully built transmission or not, but just a little. We just give it a little. We ain't gonna blow her up or nothing. Boy, that unit sounds great, don't it? Maybe we should get, maybe I should set the camera down and like do like a flyby. And not like crazy flyby, but just a little flyby so you guys can hear her going down the old road there. Let's set this camera down, shall we? Alright, we're gonna set it down right here, boy. Put that sucker in park. Alright. Get out of there. Oh my God, I forgot about that. About blew my ankle out. Set you guys there on the old curber. And we'll drive by you. Ready? Oh yeah, she purrs, don't she, boys? Wow, what a unit. Hey, and happy belated Mother's Day to not only my wife, but all the mothers out there. My own mother, mother-in-law, and everybody else out there. We gotta appreciate those. One thing too, guys, here. Today's video is sponsored by whoever's in the bag. We got SPE Lab, Southern Diesel Works, Less Performance, it looks like. Yeah, we got a little bit of everything. Boost Auto, you know. I just throw them in the bag, man. Shout out to all the sponsors that rock with us. Let's go. All right, guys. That freaking sounds so good. Oh my gosh, we might be a Peterbilt brother, boy. It does make me miss my 5.9, I'll tell you what. Dang, oh, what can we trade for this sucker? All right, Colton, I'm gonna leave my wallet right here for you, and a blank check, and my truck. I'll leave the LML for you. Want to do a straight up trade? This sucker is a unit, guys. Oh my gosh. I hope Colton gets this sucker out to some events. We're gonna have to hold him accountable in the comments down below. Tell him he's got to get out there with us. Nah, I kind of rambled there. I'm just having fun, man. On a sunny and 70 day, and you are in a 5.9 Ripper, boy. Tell me how it gets much better than this. It really don't. Ove's got to get to a haircut, so we got to zip it, boy. All
5.9
Brewski sounds good too. All that to go 30. That sucker rips. But it actually, when you're not on the throttle, it really purrs. And the alignment, this thing tows a lot better than mine does. Wow. They just don't make them like this. This is some custom work right here, boy. What a freaking unit. I'm just gonna drive in circles all day. Hey, Colton, I owe you a tank of fuel, buddy, because I'm sure this thing gets no miles per gallon, but plenty of smiles, boy. Have you guys seen the new shop? Yeah, no. Any grass? We'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. Let me get up here and park that sucker real quick. But again, look at that backup camera. The clarity is so sharp on there. Oh my gosh. This thing is so freaking cool. Oh my gosh. Alright, now let's get some cinematics. Alright, so now we got to get back. Ovi's going to test drive it one more time before Colton gets here, just to make sure that trans is perfectly ready to go. I think he's got a haircut anyway, so maybe it's a good idea to test the old 48 down there on the way to the old haircut. So let's wait for this UPS guy who ordered truck parts. Everybody, boy. You bet Ovi's out there looking like, where the heck, boy? Where's my work? Alright, Colton, here's your chance, buddy. How about an LML right there? Yeah. Let's go. Grab the pink slips. That boy leaving. That's Ovi right there going. Yep, I'm going that way. Oh yeah, you good. He good. Don't scratch it. Colton will kill us. Alright. So let's back this unit back in and yeah, we're just having fun, ain't we? I guess in other news on the 6.7 that is blown up, the video did absolutely terrible. I think we've made like 50 cents so far, so go back and watch the video where I explain what happened to this and why it's back. And we need to get some more money for Ovi here because he lost a gosh dang fortune on this boy. And we need to get this out and keep testing this and keep ripping this because it's got a lot of stuff going on with it too, for the good. So take a look, got the saw cut done in there. Now just need the new shed put up. I said maybe it was that old clumper, but it's gonna be a new one. That'll be super nice. You can see the gazebo, well, the pergola, if you're official. That's what's going on right there. How about the skidder? Gosh, that rebuild series did good. Everybody loved that sucker. It turned out good. Ovi's been using the heck out of it. Dang, Ove, this looks official with the straw down and everything. My gosh, and the netting in there. No grass. Do you just sit out here and watch it? Try to grow. He's getting frustrated. He's ready to tear it up already. But it'll go, man. It takes time. And that looks so hot. It's level with the driveway now. Gosh, this unit looks good, boy. I think that's really all I had for today. I really just wanted to get out and drive Colton's truck before he took it home because he lives a little bit away, so I'm sure we'll see him again in the future. But you guys make sure to check him out, follow him, follow Zach, follow Ovi, follow us, do all the stuff, you know, the YouTube stuff. Like it, share it, subscribe it. And yeah, let us know what you want to see in the future. Stay tuned for TNC Truck Fest. Stay tuned for L5P stuff. Stay tuned for the Load Trail stuff and a lot of other stuff we got coming. Love you guys. See you in the next one. God bless you. Peace. Man, that was freaking fun. Ovi's taking it out right now. I don't know if you guys can hear it. But yeah, who else got the cool truck they want to bring through on the channel? We can do cool stuff like this. This is a riot. Let's go.